Hello, Maurieo. In this video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot and then how to label it. There's lots of software and stuff that you can use to do this, but here we are, we're all set up here with our screen, and I'm just going to hold the control button down, control, and then just push print screen. That captures an image of the screen, which if we go down here to the all programs, accessories, and the paint program, open that up, edit, and that'll paste that image of our screen in there. Now there's a little bit of functionality in the paint program itself that you could, if you wanted to, you could by doing various things, you could label up the screenshot that we've got here. So I've just changed the color there to red. So what I'm going to do is just draw a line up here from this application button down to there, like so, and then I'm going to put in some text, a little text box perhaps down here, and then in the text box I'm going to type application button, application, spell it right, A-P-P-L-I-C-A-T, application button, oops, get it right, like so, and then we could move on to various other ones. This sort of software in Paint's a bit tricky to use, as the editing aspects of it are not that marvelous, so I prefer to use another program. The program I prefer to use is, I'm just going to undo this at this point, undo, edit, undo. The program I prefer to use is actually Adobe Acrobat, but that's a paying piece of software, so you need to have the program, but there is an alternative one to that called PDF Exchange, and there are a number, which is free, you can download that online. There are a number of other free editing softwares that you are downloadable, or you can actually edit online. But the one I use is, as I say, Adobe Acrobat, and sometimes that can be available. So the first thing to do here is to just save this image here, which I'm going to save it as a JPEG image, and I'm going to put it in my flash drive that I've got for a CAD Sessions course, which is in my hard drive, which is J here, and here it is, the CAD Sessions, and I'm just going to put this image in here, and it's let's just call it ACAD 2009. Oh, sorry, I have got actually got a flash drive set up for this. I did that in another video, so I'm just going to go to that. I think it's my my silver one, and there it is there, and there's the CAD Sessions there, so I just realized that, and this is in Hello AutoCAD is where I want to use this AutoCAD 2009. I'll just call that image, and what I'll do is I'll call that screenshot. Okay, like so. There's the screenshot. Now I want to save it as a JPEG, so I'm just going to put it there as a JPEG. Save, and that is saved that image that we've got there as a JPEG image. So I'm just going to go out of the out of Paint there, the Paint program, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up that image in Adobe Acrobat. So I'll just pop down here and explore, and off I go, find my thing, which was in the blue, oh no it wasn't, it was in the silver one, so maurieo silver, there it is there, hi-ho silver, and into our CAD Sessions, and it was in hello AutoCAD. There it is there. I'm just going to right click on that. Right click on that. So remember that it's important that you have these images saved on your flash drive, so that you can upgrade them. So I go right click on that, and then I'm going to go to open with, and down here I've got Adobe Acrobat. I could also open it with PDF Exchange and other ones, as I've explained. So oh, has that worked? Oh, here it comes. So here it is here. Here's the image. Now interestingly here, you'll see the blue out to the side and sort of things. I'm actually operating in a double screen situation here. So the actual screenshot that we took was the screen that you were viewing, plus this other one out here. So one of the tools I'm going to use here is the crop tool. So I go straight to the crop tool, and I'm just going to crop my image here out of my little paint image here. So here's the image there, like so, and there you go. That's it all cropped, and there's our little screen thing there. Now in the Adobe Acrobat we can actually put in a little there's various tools. There's tools here which allow us to, like the cropping and do all sorts of things. Another set of tools over here which is the comments, and in here there's this little little box thing here, the add text call out. So I'm just going to click on that there, and then I'm going to put one from there. That's it there. Just got it there like that at the moment, and we can just, sometimes you've got to click out of it and click back in it, and then we can one of the things is we can make it bigger like so. Another thing we can do is move it around. So there it is there. So some of these things take a little bit of manipulating, but I'm going to put that up to there, and then I'm going to go into here, and I'm going to type in application, and I still keep typing it wrong. I'll turn off the caps lock. Application button. Okay, and there it is there, and it's got a little call out there. Now we can click on here, and there's some the properties here. Click on that button, so that enables us to look at the appearance. We can have the border color. We might want to say, for instance, have that as red. The opacity, we can look at the thickness of the border. Might want to bump that up to 2. The fill color in the border, we might not have no color in the border. So we've got lots of options there, like so. We can make this all a bit bigger. Now we can also go into here and highlight the text, and highlight the text, click out, back in. Oh, sometimes it's a bit fiddly. Highlight the text and push Control E, and that brings up the text properties box there. So with the text properties box, we'll just try a few things here. That puts it in the middle, which is quite handy. It doesn't seem to have a vertical one. We can bump the size of the text up maybe to 14, like so. Okay, and then we can click out, click in here again, maybe just, yeah, that's all good there. I'm happy with that. And then we can maybe move, Control Z undoes things. So here we go, click it, get the, no, that's the readjustment one, that's the one we want. So as you get more adept with these things, as you get more skilled with it, there's various things. So this is Adobe Connect, so that's our application button there. So that's that one done. And then one of the things you can do is you can actually add this up here, or you can right click on it, I think, and add it to the quick tools up the top there, so it's all available. You don't need that over there. So that's the application button. Let's just go here, and we could click on this area in here. Oops, escape. Let's start again. Let's click on this area in here, and we can now you'll see that that's changed there. One of the things that you can I'll just get rid of that, and one of the things you can do, just click in here and make current properties default, which is always a goodie. And let's just see how we go. So cool. Okay, so you've got to move around with things and keep things going. So yep, let's go back to this one here, which we're going to call there, like so. And yeah, and that one that's the ribbon. There we go. So click out, click back, click out. Yeah, that's all. The ribbon. So, and there's various other things down here. So here's the so there's a whole number of them that I've asked you to label in this particular exercise where this video appears. But here we can put that one in there, and that's the model emoji, the model tab. Okay, and so there's that one. So that's how we can label and a screenshot, which is quite helpful, a sort of piece of technology to be able to master. So that's labeling a screenshot using, I've used there Adobe Acrobat. There are a number of other ways of doing it. I'm sure that you could possibly find way better ways, giving a much better result, but there's something that we've got. Now the thing we need to do is to save. My preference is that if you're saving documents that are going to be, I'm going to have a look at and assess for ongoing, my preference is that you save them as PDFs. They're very easy for me to manipulate and have a look, very easy to send and what have you. So we just go, in this case in Adobe Acrobat, we just go File, Save As, and we've got lots of options here. We can PDF. Okay, and we want it to go into that area, maurieo sill, and it's in the CAD sessions here. Hello AutoCAD, and that's the AutoCAD 2009 screenshot. I'm just going to add in here, just for clarity. I know it's PDF and labels. So this is the finished one. Caps look. One of the things you should be looking at when you're doing these is obviously a consistency with your labeling. Sometimes I try to keep things all in capitals, other times not, and it's up to you, but just try and keep some consistency, and check them for spelling and things like that. It's all the professional way to do it. So you'll notice that previously we had ACAD 209 screenshot, but that was saved as a JPEG, so it was a different file type. So just save it here, and yeah, that's it all saved. Let's just to finish off, we'll just quickly do a little explore here and go down to maurieo blue. No, maurieo sill there, and into the CAD sessions. Hello AutoCAD, and there we've got AutoCAD 2009. I can extend that out. Screenshot and label, and there's the 2009, just the screenshot on its own. So yeah, all good. And then we just file, exit, and we're back to our AutoCAD there. So there you go. There's how you can do that in about 15 minutes.